How to improve video quality on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are wondering why your Vimeo video looks blurry, then you can simply go ahead and improve the video quality within the settings menu inside the app. First of all, launch open the Vimeo application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now go ahead and select any video you want to play. For example, I'm just playing this video over here. Once you start playing the video, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner from the preview window and click on quality. Inside quality setting, you'll be able to see different options you can choose from. Click on the option where it says 1080p and you'll be able to change your video quality. Now play the video by tapping on the play button in the middle of the screen at the top and you'll be able to notice the quality improved. So that's how you can easily change your video quality or improve your video quality in Vimeo. If you're uploading your own video and you want the best quality in it, then the first thing you would want to consider is, before uploading anything, make sure that your video is already in good shape. Record in 1080p or 4K resolution and use a good lighting setup. Poor lighting equals to grainy video, so avoid heavy zooming or shaky footage as well whenever you upload a video. So with these tips, you'll be able to improve your video quality on Vimeo, whether you are watching videos or uploading one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.